Musti.
How are you?
Okay, see your life, huh? Yeah. After do the running, the training, then come back. Then after that, January, stay a train again, another one. Hi guys, now we are at the Beauty World shopping center in Singapore, and now we are going and waiting for my friends. They are waiting for the washroom, so later on we are going together across the bridge and check it out at the other side. Alright? Alright guys, now we are at the fourth level. What's the highest? And there's what's the market there. So let's go. I'm so excited today. Together with all my friends here. You can see at the back. So it's quite some time we never go for the trail walk. And today I chill them. Alright. Solid. Alright guys, to come to this park. And do you know which park is this? Today we are going to explore the newly opened, and this park is named Raffles Range Nature Park. Okay, Nature Park, and it's quite very nice place. Take a look. The Raffles Range Nature Park will be open from 7 AM to 7 PM. Right, let's go explore more. Sorry. Push. Today beauty world. Either you can turn on the left or you go straight, because this is quite a big place. Let's go, just go straight. Yep. Today really a great day to walk, because all day long will be the cloudy. Alright, the cloudy. And here if you see, just a really a very nice park. And been a really nice, the government have been built for our nations and others to explore. Okay, more and more parks will be coming up. I think this is one of it. Such a beautiful landscape here, and much more to explore. Okay, if you are going to drive here, you can they have a car park over under here. Right, there's a car park here. You can come in. And if you are not using the public transport, you can stop at the Beauty World MRT, cross the bridge and come over here. You also can use the corridor walkway, alright, the path to come over here, and take a bus, the public bus also. It's very near and very convenient. So such a thing that the government put on, there's quite a good efforts, and we can see a lot of very natural. And you can see a lot of people coming up. Today is the public holiday. So let's go and explore. Guys, my group very curious. They say, what is so high tech about this toilet here? All right, let's go and check it out. Alright guys, here actually built for the animals to cross over. Right, cross over. And what type of animals to cross over? It's monkey, okay, monkey, crossing rope. Okay, very nice. Alright, so we'll go another place, very exciting place. Interested place. Exciting, interested, still the same. Let's go and have a look. What is so exciting about?
Voilà,
What are you doing, John? It's recorded, okay? There's no sniper here. Alright, this one look like a bird nest area. That way you can watch the bird from here. Alright, if you are very lucky enough, I think most probably in the morning, but not this type of timing. Bird see also run. So many people just get shot today. Alright, if you want to come here, so you have to expect to climb a little bit. There are some stones for you to climb. Alright, if you are slow, of course they are congested. Alright, we have two options. Either you walk from the right or you go up by here. So, up to you. Left, right? Okay. So just be careful, Alright. Just a short climb only, no worry. So if you go from the left, still have to come out. So another high, okay, another high, and this one congested already, one way only. See at the back. Wow, all the way down. Very long queue, okay. So have to take turns, well, just be patient. If you are coming here during the public holiday, this is a wrong move, okay. You next time come on the weekdays, okay, weekdays. But actually today is very nice day, no sun, no nothing, only cloudy. Fantastic. Yeah, it's quite worth it. See front. I'm so excited. Called a Kulugu deck. Alright, you are here already. Okay, before you coming here, you need to climb a few steps. Just a few steps.
You are YouTuber.
Yes. Alright. So no worry. Not really the really step, but only mind your step. Alright, if you are coming here. It's a very nice place. Oh, that's what you see, right? So many. Wow, this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 3, 18. 18. Cannot do.
Everything totally agree.
18. Alright, so now we are going for the trail. Alright, because if you go around here, this area is quite short, the distance.
No, why? Because 3 months I never walk.
Alright, good, John, good. 3 months never walk, so to walk more. These are very familiar. Very familiar. If you're running on the MacRitchie side, go to Rifle Range Road. This area you will be passed by. Surprisingly. And now we are going to the end of the Rifle Range Road. And this one, if you come from the MacRitchie all the way up, then you will definitely will see this Rifle Range Nature Park main entrance. Okay, this entrance will lead you to all the way to Rifle Range Nature Park. Okay, you don't need to take any bus, just do your walking slowly up. Alright, very easy and accessible. Okay, accessible. Okay, alright, you can see. Hey, you're running here?
Oh no, we hiking today.
Oh, hiking ah?
Ah.
Where is Lexus?
Where? Coming already.
Oh, right, right. Hey, Lexus. Hiking ah today?
They year end ready. Slow them down.
Alright, right. Hey. Got fly.
Not pushing, you must go. You must jump over just now. You know, push it or what?
Alright, now we are at the Kampong Cantik, but no kampong anymore. Alright, so if you take this path all the way, you can go to Vivo City. If you know how to the way. So today so lucky, can see so many running friends. One of it is Coach Lexus. So today they say they are not running. I don't know whether they just do a hiking today, they say. Alright, so enjoy the walk.
Abang cantik.
Where? This is Kampong Cantik ah? Huh? Kampong Cantik ah here?
Ya.
This?
Abang cantik.
It is Abang Cantik in front, the blue color one, okay? Abang Cantik. Okay.
Uncle cantik.
Wah, where Uncle Cantik? Ini Uncle Cantik. Alright guys, from Kampong Cantik, if you come here, you also can go to the Raffles Range Nature Park. Let's go. Go back lah. This one need to push ah, push. Yeah, push ah. Okay. Come. Huh?
There's a house here.
Yeah.
Those quarters.
Alright, just going back again to the same route, but different route, sorry. So many places you can go to the Raffles Range Nature Park. Trail,
Left, right.
I think should be. Yeah, we go straight. All the way. Down. Alright guys, that's the end of my videos today, and very good place to walk. Alright, so always stay safe, eat well, sleep well, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.